Starting a business in Kenya is easier today than it was a few years ago. However, making that business stand out is becoming more difficult because new businesses are opening every day. Whether you own a small grocery shop, a salon, a hardware store, a restaurant, a clothing business, a transport company, or an online business, customers have many choices. If your business looks the same as everyone else's, people will often choose the cheapest option. That is why standing out is one of the most important things every entrepreneur should focus on. The first step is understanding what makes your business different. Every successful business has something special that customers remember. It could be better customer service, faster delivery, cleaner premises, higher quality products, unique packaging, or even a friendlier attitude. Instead of trying to copy your competitors, find something they are not doing well and make it your strength. Customers are more likely to return to a business that offers something memorable. Your business should also have a professional appearance. First impressions matter. A clean shop, attractive signage, organized shelves, good lighting, and employees who dress neatly create confidence. Even if you are running a small kiosk, keeping it clean and well-arranged makes customers feel comfortable buying from you. Many people decide whether to enter a business within a few seconds of seeing it. Branding is another powerful way to stand out. A memorable business name, a professional logo, consistent colors, and attractive packaging help customers recognize your products. If you sell goods in shopping bags, consider printing your business name and phone number on them. If you deliver products, use branded stickers or labels. These small details make your business look established and trustworthy. Excellent customer service is one of the easiest ways to beat competitors. Smile when customers walk in. Listen carefully to their needs. Answer questions politely. Thank customers after every purchase. If a customer has a complaint, solve the problem calmly instead of arguing. Many customers are willing to pay a little more if they know they will receive respectful and reliable service. Offer products and services that solve real problems. Customers are not simply buying an item, they are buying a solution. Someone buying a water tank wants reliable water storage. Someone buying a laptop wants to work efficiently. Someone visiting a salon wants to look and feel confident. When you focus on solving people's problems instead of just selling products, customers appreciate your business more. Innovation can also make your business unforgettable. Look for simple ways to improve what already exists. A restaurant could introduce healthy meal options. A barber shop could offer free wireless internet. A car wash could provide comfortable waiting areas with refreshments. A clothing shop could allow customers to order through messaging apps before collecting their purchases. Small improvements often make a big difference. Technology has become essential for businesses in Kenya. Most customers use smartphones to search for businesses, compare prices, and communicate before making purchases. Create business pages on social media platforms where your customers spend their time. Share quality photos, short videos, customer reviews, promotions, and useful tips. Keep your contact information updated and respond to messages quickly. Businesses that reply fast often gain more customers than those that leave inquiries unanswered. A business website also increases credibility. Even a simple website that shows your products, services, location, phone number, and business hours helps customers trust your company. Many customers search online before deciding where to spend their money. If they cannot find your business online, they may choose a competitor instead. Encourage satisfied customers to recommend your business. Word of mouth remains one of the strongest forms of marketing in Kenya. Ask happy customers to tell their friends and family about your business. You can also reward referrals with small discounts or gifts. A loyal customer who recommends your business regularly can be more valuable than expensive advertising. Pricing should also be competitive without sacrificing quality. Avoid becoming the cheapest business simply to attract customers. Instead, focus on providing value. For example, if you sell a product for 1,500 Kenyan shillings, while competitors charge 1,300 Kenyan shillings, explain why your product is worth the extra money. Better quality, warranty, customer support, or free delivery can justify the higher price. Consistency is another important factor. Customers like businesses they can depend on. Open your business on time every day. Deliver orders when promised. Keep product quality consistent. If customers know they can rely on you, they will continue returning even when competitors offer lower prices. Learning about your customers helps you improve continuously. Ask for feedback regularly. Find out what customers like, what they dislike, and what they wish you offered. Sometimes a simple suggestion from one customer can lead to an idea that increases sales for years. Businesses that listen to customers often grow faster than those that ignore feedback. Building relationships within your community can also increase your visibility. Sponsor local events if your budget allows. Support school activities, youth groups, sports tournaments, or charity events. Participate in local business exhibitions and trade fairs. When people see your business contributing to the community, they are more likely to support it. Train your employees well because they represent your business. Customers may forget your advertisements, but they rarely forget how they were treated. Employees should understand your products, communicate professionally, solve problems quickly, and treat every customer with respect. Investing in staff training often produces better results than spending large amounts on advertising. Offer promotions wisely. Discounts can attract new customers, but they should not reduce your profits unnecessarily. Instead of lowering prices all the time, consider adding value. For example, a customer spending 5,000 Kenyan shillings could receive free delivery or a small complimentary gift. These offers often feel more valuable than simple price reductions. Create content that educates your audience. If you sell farming equipment, share farming tips. If you own a beauty salon, post hair care advice. If you run a hardware business, explain how to choose quality building materials. Educational content builds trust and positions your business as an expert in the industry. Customers are more likely to buy from businesses they believe understand their needs. Adapt to changing customer behavior. Consumer preferences change over time. Payment methods, shopping habits, and technology continue to evolve. Offer convenient payment options, including mobile money. Consider home delivery if customers demand it. Watch industry trends and adjust your business before competitors do. Managing your reputation is equally important. One negative customer experience shared online can influence many potential buyers. Monitor customer comments on social media and review platforms. Respond professionally to criticism and thank customers for positive feedback. A business that handles complaints respectfully often gains more trust than one that ignores problems. Invest your profits wisely. Instead of spending all your earnings, reinvest part of the money into improving your business. You could buy better equipment, renovate your shop, train employees, expand your product range, or improve your marketing. Even setting aside 5,000 Kenyan shillings or 10,000 Kenyan shillings every month for improvements can make your business stronger over time. Most importantly, be patient and consistent. Businesses rarely become successful overnight. Standing out requires continuous effort, learning, and improvement. Focus on delivering value every day, building trust with customers, and improving your products and services. Over time, people will begin recommending your business because of the experience you provide, not simply because of the prices you offer. In Kenya's competitive business environment, success belongs to entrepreneurs who understand their customers, embrace innovation, maintain professionalism, and consistently deliver quality. When your business becomes known for reliability, honesty, excellent service, and genuine value, customers will not only choose you once, but will keep coming back and encourage others to do the same. That is how a business truly stands out and builds lasting success.